Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here on the gsfootage Garage. So today we're going to continue the build and progression of the 1970 Chevelle. As you guys saw in the last episode, we left off with the timing chain. So today we're going to hopefully finish everything up on the motor and close it up so we could throw it in the car. So that's the game plan, and we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, so we decided to go with black with the timing chain cover. So you guys can see right here, it looks pretty good. Basically just warmed it up earlier today, put some heat on it and spray painted it because it was kind of cold out, but it came out pretty good, as you guys can see here. We're about to punch in this puppy here. There is a special tool for this to slide them in, but we don't have that, so we're just going to use a punch. It's just probably not the right way of doing it, but it's a way of doing it, if that makes any sense. Again, probably not the best way of doing things, but for what we have readily available right now, I think it's gonna work. A huevo! Told you. My pipe worked. See, you don't need a special tool. All you need is a freaking scrap pipe. I like it. Okay guys, so this is a point where it's crucial to line up your timing marks.
Yeah, we need to turn the crank.
You need to turn the crank? There you go. Nope, that's way off. What are you doing? No, but you're way off.
No, I'm doing the...
Here, let me do it.
One tooth off.
Here, let me do it. No, it's because you...
Oh, I haven't even put this one on. I'm trying to line this one.
Let me do it. Here, watch. Hold this.
Got it. Is up? Where's the screws for the crank?
Okay guys, so this is where it's crucial that your timing marks are aligned. You can see we have a dot up there, and we have a dot right there. You want the cam and the crank to be in complete harmony so they can have a harmonious relationship. Right? Is that a good explanation? Okay. That looks pretty good. I gotta admit, the double roller timing chain looks beast. Timing chain. So, look at that. Looks pretty damn good. I love it. Looks beast. Again, those are your timing marks right there. Not too bad, not too bad.
Are you gonna paint the heads?
Yeah. Well, you made a big stink about it. You made a big stink about the whole fake aluminum heads. So we're gonna paint them orange. Don't you agree? So as you guys saw, we put the timing chain on right now. We're gonna go ahead and put the oil pump and cover it up with the oil pump, but we actually bought a defective melding oil pump, so we weren't able to do that today. So we'll start that another day. But right now we'll just do the timing chain cover. My brother sourced these pretty cool bolts for it, so I think it looks pretty awesome. Up here. Alright guys, so today's another night here in the gsfootage garage. As you guys saw, we just finished installing the timing chain and cover. We're going to move on to installing the oil pump. This pump actually gave us a little bit of a hard time. Installing the pickup tube to the pump is a nightmare. We actually hammered it in gently and it still was loose, so we actually just had it welded all the way around, as you guys can see here. And that's going to ensure no leaks. The pump's not going to get air, cause any oil pressure issues down the road, so better safe than sorry. So yeah guys, so we went with the milling pump. Here it is, high volume, so hopefully it does good. But yeah, so today hopefully we finish up this engine, get it in the car. You know, that's the goal here. Okay guys, so the engine still needs a little bit more work, like the guide plates, push rods, rocker arms, but we figured we're gonna take advantage of the time we have now and just dump the motor in the car, and we'll do the rest in there. So that's the game plan.
Here, look.
His game plan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the engine is back in the car again for like the 5th time since we own it, but now it looks a lot better, as you guys can see. This is where we're at, guys. So engine, torque converter, engine, flywheel, torque converter, transmission is on. So a lot of progress today, guys. So we're gonna call it quits for today, but we'll see you guys tomorrow night. Okay guys, so what we're doing here is replacing the stock factory guide plates, push rod guide plates, because they only accept a skinny wimpy little push rod, and we're gonna go with some heavy duty ones, so we need to upgrade to some larger diameter push rod guides. So what the hell is that? And now we install our super juicy, loaded, soaked lifters. So I don't know, common practice. I've been doing it for a long time like this, and if I don't do it this way, I spaz out and I can't sleep at night. So some people argue you don't have to soak them, but I don't know. I soak them for a couple of days, so yeah. There's so many things I'm doing wrong on this build, that but yet we're soaking the lifters for sure. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, I went with the Lunati cam, Lunati lifters, Chloe's double roller timing chain, Comp Cam's guide plates, push rod guide plates, Comp Cam's heavy duty push rods, and I went with the Summit brand roller rockers. These were priced pretty right. One of our rockers was damaged. I wasn't originally going to do it, but since I had one rocker that was damaged, I figured I might as well upgrade to these. These supposedly clear the stock valve covers. That's important to me, guys, because I will eventually put the AC back on this car. Maybe not right away, but eventually. So I want to utilize the stock valve covers. So check these out. They're really nice. They came with the quality control letter and all, and I think that's pretty cool. I've used Summit brand stuff a couple of times, and they never let me down. So I know people bash on them a lot, but hey, I don't think this big block is going to be training a lot of power to, to destroy rockers or anything like that. But I think they should be just fine, and they look nice. So, and I already tested them with the stock valve covers, and they cleared without bolts. So we'll see what happens once I torque everything down. So we'll see. Okay, and a quick little hiccup. I was reading the instructions here, and it says that they want me to soak these roller rocker arms for at least 30 minutes and apply a little bit of assembly lube to the push rods, to each push rod. Apply moly lube sparingly to each push rod tip and rocker arm, push rod seat. Okay. And follow OEM rocker installation torque specs. Okay guys, the roller rocker arms are on the engine now. I haven't torqued them down or anything like that, because you have to go through a whole process of setting them to zero lash and doing a whole little process there, and it's getting pretty late here, so I'm gonna call it a day. But tomorrow shall be another day, and hopefully we can come out here and get some work done. But as of now, I'm throwing in the towel for today. I think that's a little bit of progress for today, and we'll start again tomorrow.